Shout out to all of you. Later guys, I'm gonna end this live. 3 people, shout out. Welcome to my sleep stream guys. This is a sad stream because I've been a lot. I've been in a miserable situation lately. So much problem, so stressed. That's why I don't have the reason to be happy. I don't have the reason to be happy. But still, I'm trying to do live even if it's not I'm not in the mood, but I will try to go live. This is for my YouTube to update you guys. And this will help me too. I'm gonna do more lives and upload the next day, the next month, or maybe just this month. I will try to do more videos, lives, and any other doing, because I'm gonna try to save a big pot of money so that I can afford to um, get this get rid of this tattoo. I'm gonna take a surgery. I'm gonna get a surgery. Gonna check up first and then maybe get a surgery for my arm tattoo.